honestly bought the ZQi sound machine just for my baby's naps. But the big surprise? It actually helps me fall asleep faster than she does. Best parenting cheat code ever.
Most creators can generate a 5-second AI clip. The hard part is turning one product idea into a complete ad that actually feels usable. This entire ad was built from nothing but a text prompt using an AI video agent called Flova. No footage, no shoot, no actor, no editor. Just a starting prompt. And Flova took it from the idea all the way to a finished UGC testimonial ad. If you've tried making ads with AI before, you know where it usually falls apart. 5-second clips. The product changes from shot to shot. Lip sync doesn't match. No real plan, just regenerate and hope. Flova is designed to address these problems. So I'm testing whether it actually works in a real ad workflow. So in this video, I'm building this ad from scratch and showing you every step, from the first prompt to the finished video. So let's see if Flova can actually back that up. Here's the dashboard, and you can see I'm not locked into one model. There's a whole roster in there: image, video, music, audio. And here's the one worth pointing out. Seedance 2.5 is live in there now, ByteDance's newest video model. 30-second single-shot generation, dozens of reference images and clips in a single input. Audio built in. Flova doesn't just plug it in raw either. It wraps these models inside reusable skills, optimized workflows for different types of creative production. So you're using it the way people who've actually pushed it get the best results, not just the default settings. But for this one, I picked GPT Image 2, typed the prompt, hit generate, and watch a ZQi sound machine that didn't exist 30 seconds ago, sitting in a warm nursery scene straight out of the gate. With most tools, you'd have to regenerate that image every time you need it again. But in Flova, you save it to the asset library with one click and reuse it as a reference later. No need to regenerate it from scratch. From here, it needs to become an actual ad. So I pulled the saved photo back in from my assets, and it makes you choose from a whole list of skills. One for short films, one for documentaries, one for music videos, and so on. I picked product commercial and described what I wanted, less a story, more a mini review. One thing Flova flagged before I'd even answered anything: a parent's talking straight to camera, so it's already locking in lip sync. And here's the part I actually like. It doesn't just jump straight into generating clips. It asks a couple of quick questions first: format, duration, and language. Then it lays out a whole storyboard on its own. 4 elements: the ZQi machine, the parent, the living room, the nursery, wired into 2 shots. It also generated the testimonial copy and separated narration from the background music. The script even gave the parent a small joke, which helped it feel more like UGC than a traditional commercial. I honestly bought the ZQi sound machine just for my baby's naps. But the big surprise? It actually helps me fall asleep faster than she does. Best parenting cheat code ever. Setup, punchline. Written by the same tool that made the product photo a few minutes earlier. Now watch the first shot render.
Honestly bought the ZQi sound machine just for my baby's naps.
The parent, talking directly to camera, lip-synced to that exact line, using a separate model built specifically for that. Already pretty convincing, but when I watched it back, something was missing. So instead of starting over, I asked Flova to add one more shot, right in the middle. It didn't just add a clip. It rebuilt the whole storyboard around it, retimed everything, and redid the other 2 shots to match. That's what actually got me. Not a patch, a full rework, the way an editor would touch an entire timeline, because one new scene changed the pacing around it. And it wasn't just the visuals that got rebuilt. Look at the timeline. The narration track is split into 2 separate clips, right where that new shot sits.
But the big surprise? It actually helps me fall.
The music underneath never breaks. One continuous bed the whole way through. 15 seconds later, this.
I honestly bought the ZQi sound machine just for my baby's naps. But the big surprise? It actually helps me fall asleep faster than she does. Best parenting cheat code ever.
And honestly, it actually feels real, not like an ad. So, Flova can use Seedance 2.5. Seedance handles the visual generation itself, while Flova handles the brief skills, storyboard, shot revisions, and final assembly. But here's the thing. The ad you just watched is a UGC-style testimonial. But what if you wanted something completely different? A polished product commercial, a short-form social ad, something else entirely. For me, I tested Flova with a completely different product and a different creative direction. This time, BREW Plus, a coffee maker. And instead of a parent talking to camera, this time there was no testimonial at all. I wanted macro details. The machine's materials, buttons, coffee pouring, crema, steam, reflections, and controlled product lighting. Here's what it built.
He going toward me every half the is.
My mornings used to be a total mess waiting in lines, settling for instant coffee. Not anymore. Now I get cafe quality coffee right at my desk in literally seconds. It's that easy. It's portable, sleek, and brews the perfect cup every single time. Honestly, total game changer.
Leaky one furry.
Make your mornings easier. Click below to get your own BREW Plus.
Same idea, but this time, a completely different style of commercial. That's what I like here. You're not locked into one type of content, different creative formats, all inside the same workflow. After both tests, what stands out to me isn't just the generation itself. It's having the brief, assets, storyboard, revisions, audio, and final timeline connected in the same workflow. The UGC test showed how it handles dialogue and iteration, while the coffee ad showed it can move in a completely different visual direction. If you want to test Flova yourself, I've put the link and bonus credit details in the description. Got any questions? Drop them below and let me know what kind of ad you'd make first. Subscribe to Ninja Tech. Thanks for watching.